Okay, we're here at Off-Grid 4x4 Adventure. Let's check out what's going on at the shop today. Here are the rigs in front. FJ, Ranger, Patrol, RAV4. Anong Ranger na to? Steady Zenith. Reserve tank. Galing talaga ng reserve. May water level pa. Okay. Display ng shop. Okay. Nice. Check tayo what's going on inside. Yung mga ginagawa ngayon. Hilux, FJ, rock slider, may kick out para iiwas yung likod ng body from trees and other obstacles. Okay, para itong ganda, oh. This is a Jeep Cherokee. Ang setup ng Cherokee, oh. Pang rescue vehicle. Ayan. Full setup, king slice, SR winch. So, Navara in progress. Ano kinabit dito? Busina?
Ano sir? Steel bumper sir.
Steel bumper.
SR.
SR steel bumper. Aero series. Yung ganda, oh.
Tapos dito sir, space and quick lift.
Okay. Tapos quick lift ng SR. Pangdagdag sa height nung old man mo. Subsob na siya pag install ng bumper. So, dagdag lang ng konti, no? Ito, ano ginawa dito?
Harness.
Wiring harness para sa ilaw. Marco Extreme Blast. Ayun, doon kinabit sa taas. Yung black edition para hindi masyadong halata.
Tapos aux beam yung panel dito.
Alin?
Yung aux beam sir.
Ah, okay. Aux beam na switch panel. Sa loob. Aux beam na switch panel. Ito. Yan. Nice. Ito yung dash niya. Meaner. Okay. Pretty light day today. Tayo sa loob. Sundan natin si Jeric. Ang kukunin ni Jeric.
Plate holder sir. Gahanap.
Alin?
Plate holder.
Anong holder?
Plate sir.
Ah, plate holder.
Sir, hindi na yung plate mo. Kaso mo walang stock.
Wala tayong stock plate holder. Kailangan mag-restock. Ayun. Para sa plaka.
Para tayo magbuta sa bumper.
Ayan. Install ng plate holder yung steel bumper. Ayan. Mga daming accessories tayo here at the shop. Everything you need for off-roading and overlanding you'll find here at Off-Grid 4x4 Adventure. including recovery boards, various brands, SR Performance, Max Trax, yan, iba-ibang brands yan. Ito mga rear ladder pang Jimny, Jimny accessories, FJ accessories, recovery kits, ito mga ARB na awning room, yan, recovery kits, tire inflator, snorkel, everything you need, lights, yan. Okay. Alright. Roof racks. Iba-ibang sizes yan. Okay. Suspension. Horns. Water port. Reserve. Water tanks. Okay. Awnings. Yan. Basta for your off-roading and overlanding needs, come to Off-Grid 4x4 Adventure. Thank you.